Hello YouTube, this is Dr. DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from Tuesday morning. So this is going to be primarily Jane Davenport, but I'm going to show you a couple of things that I got. And of course this haul is going to be up late because, you know, the computer issues I had anyway. So they had several die sets, and this is the only one I got. And this was the mason jar. I just love the mason jar and the opportunity to have the bow and the tag and the different sentiments made with love. And you can put anything in it that you like, or you can put your own different things inside of it. So it was a 9-piece of $4.99 by Memento, called Mason Jar, 215-3661. And so those are the elements that come in that. And they had some other shapes and different ones as well, all the holiday themed ones. This is the Globe Gallery, and this one says hello, and I got this because I actually purchased this globe on clearance, which I showed you from someone, and I got this to go on it, the personalizer form, 2055917 as a gift. So I'm going to put their name on the other side and put their world, like their name, and says their world, and then hello on the other side. Excuse me. I got this Project Life stickers. I was hoping you could find it in the girls as well, but it's 219-703-7093 for $2.19, and so it's just 20-piece sticker set, and it's blue glittered, which would go pretty much with any baby book, and I make a lot of those. I did get this one stamp and die set by Hampton Arts, and it's called Live Your Dreams, $3.99. Live Your Dreams, and it's a bird cage, bird, heart, butterfly, and then there's a sorry about the noise, bird cage, and I think it's a bird. Looks like a bird. Well, that didn't help. Yeah, it's a bird under there. Die. So the rest of my stuff I got was just some Jane Davenport. I didn't see the dies, but I didn't go to all the Tuesday mornings. I only went to 2. And these are the stamps that I got. They all had the same collections and had multiples, every single one. So yeah, it was tons of these stamps. So this one is called Crafty Minx, and it's 219-6186. It says start the art, you crafty little minx. And sorry about the noise, just wanted me to read it to you, and washi girl. So those are kind of cute. And I primarily got these for the sentiments. Friendship is a sheltering tree, but it also gives you 3 ladies as well that you can use. And of course, if you use mixed media, mainly watercolors is a lot of her stuff that she uses with that, but you're not limited to that. This is Believe and Sparkle. It took me a while to realize, I didn't even realize that that was a unicorn. And it's called Unicorn. And this one is called Friendship, and this was 219-6181 and 219-6178, and again these are all $3.99. And hopefully you can see. We'll cut this out. Yeah, that's much better. The next one is just called Bouquet, and 219-6184. So you've got several flowers there and the leaves. And this was called a Narwhal, and this is Exhale and Inhale, and has Narwhal too also. And it is 219-6179. And again, the only thing that changes is the last 2 digits. So this one is 83. Good Vibe Tribe, Wild and Free. And now this dots is a wonderful one you can use on any kind of background. They had dimension, splatter, texture. So I really like that stamp right there too. You can add a lot with that to a lot of different types of projects. Again, sorry about the crinkle. We are spinning like mad confetti. I like all the little word sentiments. And these are her faces, and this just says Girl Group 219-6177. I'll pull this out. Sorry about the crinkle. So you can see there are 8 faces. 3, 6, 7, 8. So there's not a 9th one there. And then this one is called Poppy Girl 219-6182. So you have your poppies and you have the girl. And this one is called Hairlines. And the last 2 digits is 80. And this one is called Flower Girls. And this one is 85. So that's my Jane Davies, and I may go look and see if I can find any of her dies if I have a chance to go to one of the other stores, and if so, I would add that onto this video. But for now, that's the end of that one. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.